The Marine Corps has instilled in me the value of being a lifelong learner.
I believe that somebody's propensity towards addictive behaviors or substances is a factor of their self-esteem or self-efficacy.
My separation from the Marine Corps was stripping away the identity I'd known my entire adult life. I'd given everything to the Marines. Without that uniform, I no longer knew who I was. As a civilian, I had to adjust to a new work culture, translate my military skills into a civilian role, and most importantly, find a new sense of purpose in a new environment. I had my dark challenges too. I didn't think I'd kill myself that day or that week, but the thoughts were becoming more pervasive. As a population, veterans are more than twice as likely to suffer with mental health challenges or struggle with addiction. As a veteran that was now struggling with anxiety, panic attacks, and depression, I had become one of those statistics, and I needed to figure out why. Because of my own experience, I began studying applied positive psychology and the science of human flourishing. What I discovered led me to a new mission. What became clear to me was that our suffering often stems from deeper unmet needs. These differences that we cherish when we're surrounded by other service members can make us feel unwelcome or uninvited in the civilian world. Today, my mission is to help companies and organizations maximize the potential of the veterans in their workforce. With the right guidance, leaders can harness the benefits of military training and the distinct veteran skill set to drive success throughout the organization. By serving veteran employees directly, they can develop the resilience and enhanced mental wellness necessary to translate their unique value to a new mission. This intensity and commitment to the mission makes the veterans in your organization a valuable asset. What does it cost your organization when veterans are not at their best? What do veteran turnover, absenteeism, and disengagement do to the bottom line? Businesses that support their veterans through programs developed by veterans and tailored to their needs will increase retention, productivity, and effectiveness, while creating an engaged workforce that thrives through innovation and impact. My mission today is to help you develop an environment where veterans can contribute their full potential to your mission. Through presentations, workshops, and consulting services, I will guide your veteran team and leadership with the knowledge and tools to maximize your veteran workforce. Are you ready to transform your veteran workforce into a more engaged, productive, and empowered team? Let's connect and make a lasting impact together. Visit my website or contact me today.